Good morning and aloha. Today on the weekly wrap up, we're going to be going over several things because we're ending that first quarter. And so the first quarter will end on Wednesday. So what that means is all assignments in Canvas will close Wednesday. And so that's an important date to keep in mind. Um, that'll give me a couple days to get all of that updated and graded and into Skyward, because Skyward officially will report those grades on Friday. Now, this is a little different than what has happened in years past. Typically, we will be able to do that Friday before we do parent teacher conferences, but because of the schedule change that happened at the beginning of the school year, and then that we went to blended, and then e-learning and all that kind of stuff, things got kind of shifted a little bit. So be aware that when we're doing our parent teacher conferences this next week on Thursday and Friday, those grades won't be officially posted until Friday. And so what I've been talking to students about, and what I encourage you to do, is to go into Canvas and look at missing assignments or assignments that have a low score, and students can redo those or do them and submit them this weekend. And then that will be helpful for us to kind of get everything organized and put together for parent-teacher conferences. Now, if you've not scheduled a parent-teacher conference, you still have a couple days to do that. I think the scheduler closes on Monday. So I would encourage you to do it today or tomorrow, or of course Sunday. I don't know when they say it closes Monday, if they mean Sunday at midnight or Monday at midnight. That's one of those kind of confusing internet things as far as like what that date means. So I would say sooner better than later if you want to get that taken in. Also, I wanted to mention, I've heard from a couple students starting to use that lack of internet at home, or internet connective issues at home, and those types of things. And so I just wanted to make it everybody clear. Most of the assignments, if not all the assignments I give, can be downloaded to the iPad, completed, and then uploaded once they get to school. And so the lack of internet, for the most part, is kind of a non-issue, in that there's a lot of things that I present online that can be done offline, still using the iPad. And so, like, for example, I just want to show an example. So yesterday, the assignment we did in class was to read and highlight the text. And so that text, they actually have multiple versions of that. So yes, there is the version that they can access online by clicking on the Connect Ed part, and we'll take them to, whoa, okay, well, that's not good. But we'll definitely get that checked out. But that link should take them to their textbook. But I don't rely on that, clearly. And so in the assignment that I gave them, there is a link to a PDF version that we downloaded in class. So in class, we downloaded this PDF version that's already on their iPad. And then I also provided them a textbook that they should have taken home that can just stay at home. And so they have that version at home that they can use. So they have a printed version, they have a PDF version on their iPad. I'm going to make sure that link on the Canvas page is working again. I don't know why that's not working, but I'll certainly check that out later this morning, and those kinds of things. And so, I've provided multiple versions of everything that we do. And so there shouldn't really be an excuse. Now, even if there is a problem, and I understand things happen, that's why I allow students to redo the assignments. So, there are always going to be problems that come up. every excuse is a good excuse. And I don't want any of this technology to be a problem as far as them learning. So if there is a problem, I tell kids to be strong self advocates and to communicate with me, and we'll meet with students and connect, and we'll find a workaround. But most of the time, it's them just putting self sabotaging themselves or those types of things, using that as an excuse more so than anything else. And so I just wanted to communicate that to you as parents, to understand that, number one, I certainly understand that, but there are definitely things in place that help prevent those types of things. As far as where we're going, we are starting with chemistry this week. We're in regular science, we're looking at atomic structure. In honors, we did a little bit of review of structure and going right into the periodic table. So definitely getting a lot more content rich as far as things we're doing in class. So thank you so much, parents, for everything that you do. Definitely looking forward to fall break and taking a little bit of time off and starting to recharge on that. Could really use that. So thanks again. If you have, like always, if you have any questions, please let me know.